Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can change music in CapCut templates. So here I've already on the template tabs on my CapCut apps, and if you are on CapCut you probably knew that templates comes with music or songs added by the creator. But if you don't like the song, you can always change it, and here's how. So first you just need to find the template that you want to use. Okay, so let's say I want to use this templates right here, but I don't like the song, so I want to change it into other music. So you can just click on the use template first and then add your footage or videos like this, and then click on preview, and there will be an option to change the sound. So here just click on sounds and then click on the pencil icon under, and to change it to another music you can just click on this change to another one option and click on continue. Then after that you can choose the music or songs that you want. So I'm going to just choose a random one. So now the sound has changed, and you can just click on a check icon, and after that you can just click on export. So that's pretty easy, but you need to note that not all templates allow this feature. So the creator needs to allow you to change its music, because okay, I'm going to use this template for example and see if it's allow you to change the music like the previous one. So you see there is no sound options in here, so you cannot change the music. So you just need to export the video first and then open it in new project and then mute it and change the music manually. Okay, so that's a tip from me. I hope it will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.